Hi and welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to look at this Bitcoin chart and predict the Bitcoin price, and I'm going to give you two very best and very working trading strategies for this week. And you can make a lot of profits using these strategies this week. So do not skip the video. Watch it till end and you will be happier at the end. So guys, in my previous videos, I exactly predicted the Bitcoin price and I gave you trading strategies on how to trade. In this video, this is a very short video and I'm directly giving you my own trading strategies. Guys, you can see in this video there are 4 lines on my screen. I have drawn 4 lines. So what is the strategy? Listen guys, keep this in your mind. The lower 2 lines, when the price hits the lower 2 lines, so you should buy, and when the price hits the upper 2 lines, you should sell. Let us see. If you can wait and see when the price hits this line, you should buy. If it comes down, if it breaks this line and comes down, it will touch air, you should buy. And again, if you bought air, if you buy your buy order was it air, you can sell air at this line, that is 19,000 and around 300. If you can wait more, if the price crosses this, if the price crosses this line, if the price crosses this line, you should wait and you should sell over air at this line. So this, because market is moving sideways, so this is the way to trade in this week.